ABC2, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
All right, in the wake of a line of storms that rumbled through central Maryland and the eastern shore earlier this afternoon, now mainly just rain showers trying to sneak up out of Virginia, dousing parts of Maryland with some light rain still this evening, and still some fairly breezy conditions out there, but not the powerful damaging winds we had earlier. Look at all the damage reports, over 70 just in the immediate Baltimore area, and they continue to come in. Wind damage reports, nearly 50 of those, and again, if you expand the map, there are many more than that. Just a few of those. Garrison in Baltimore County, trees down on Reisterstown Road. Plenty of reports of trees and tree branches down. Also, high wind gusts exceeding at times 55, even pushing 60 miles per hour like we had in Sparrows Point just past 2 o'clock. So you see why we have those wind damage reports, those high winds extending all the way down into Anne Arundel toward Eastport and Kent Island as well as onto the eastern shore. That system continues to clear out tonight. We're dry and clear through Thursday evening. That's good. It'll be a colder and breezy day tomorrow, but clear. However, I just want to throw out our next precipitation event while we're on this map, and that would be potentially a burst of snow showers coming through right around mid-morning to midday on Friday. Air temps, ground temps, very marginal, probably just a little bit of wet snow, but an interesting twist here as we go into the first weekend of March. That system will quickly clear out to the east, though, Friday afternoon. But today, it was just the opposite. This first day of March, 75 degrees, just 5 below the old all-time record from 72. And some spots did get to 80 today, like right here in Annapolis. 80 degrees early today, helping to fuel that line of storms as it came through, put the big wind down on the Severn River. And also here on the east side of Baltimore, that storm line blasts through. Brief showers, but mainly high winds were the main concern. Right now, out of BWI, just under 70. The cold front has not arrived, just the prefrontal storms that we saw earlier. Southwest winds still 14 miles per hour, still warm conditions. Highs today, unbelievable. 70 Hagerstown, 77 Easton, almost 70 in OC, 80 in Annapolis and in D.C., by the way. Temps tonight hovering around 70, set to go much colder overnight as those south winds that we have right now turn westerly in the morning, bringing in a much chillier pattern. And by the way, a bit of a wind chill factor in the morning as well. So we're going to stay blustery and brisk into the morning. Real field temperatures down in the low to mid 20s. How's that for a change? Gusty and windy overnight and a brisk and bright start tomorrow through the day. We make the mid 40s, but the wind chills stay in the 20s and 30s. So that cold air that's across the Midwest and Great Lakes getting ready to make a plunge here for a few days to kick off the month of March. It will get reinforced, and our very warm pattern is going to disappear and go away until probably the early part of next week. So tonight, a few showers lingering, but mainly just windy as those temps fall. Tomorrow, most of the day in the 40s and colder feeling than that with the wind chill factor. Yes, a chance for some snow showers Friday, if you can believe it, but also a high of 42 that day. Struggle to get out of the 30s on Saturday. It is going to be one crisp early March weekend, but we turn milder again as soon as early next week. So once again, Jamie, the chill coming in with some storms this time doesn't hold up.
Well, Monday it'll all be melted. 62.
Yes,
Nice. All right, bring it on. Hey.